Assalamu alaikum grade 7. I am your Islamiyat teacher Ms. Tanzila Tariq. Today we will start unit number 1 Al-Quran Al-Kareem, and the topic that we will discuss today is Surah Al-Qariyah. Grade 7, here are the details regarding the surah. Its name is Al-Qariyah and its English name is the striking calamity. Name of the surah is taken from verse number 1 and applied to whole surah. The total verses are 11 and the total words are 36. There are some unique words without repetition, and these are 28. And the main characters of the surah are Allah, mankind, striking calamity, people with heavy scales, and people with light scales. Grade 7. Now you can see the summary of the topics which are discussed in the surah. From verse number 1 to verse number 5, Allah described the last day of the judgment and the situation of mankind and mountains. And from verse number 6 to 11, people with heavy scales will have pleasant life, and people with light scales have misery and fire. Grade 7. Here is the background. This surah was revealed in Makkah, most probably during the early days of Prophet Muhammad's declaration of his prophethood. This surah narrates the event and description of the last day. It tells that people will be rewarded as per their scales of deeds. Grade 7, this is all for today. Allah Hafiz and stay blessed.